doing recreating one of Nikki Tutorials Valentine's Day makeup looks.
So this trend has been going around YouTube where people recreate beauty gurus makeup looks. So we decided to do it and see who can do it better. But the funny thing is that Katelyn's way better and more into makeup than I am. And I'm like okay with eye makeup, but I don't even understand face makeup at all. So it's going to be really embarrassing and she's probably going to be laughing at me the whole time because I don't know what I'm doing. But also, shout out to our aunt for knitting these this heart banner for us. It's really cute and we've been waiting to film a video and put them in the background. And
they've been up in my room decorated like this for like weeks since I got it, and it's like super cute. But we haven't filmed the video yet, so
yeah, so just want to point those out because they're super cute.
Yeah.
So yeah,
let's get started. Yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so this is the classic matte Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'll put it up in the iCard in case you want to like watch it or something. Anyway, I'm scared, so I'm gonna hit play.
I'm excited. It's really simple looking.
Yeah, if you know any, I don't even know, like, do you put foundation or concealer on first? I mean, I guess she'll do it, so I can just do it. Like, I really don't know. What is this, primer? No, I don't have that.
You can use mine. Here, use this one because I don't really want you to use this one.
Oh, it's e.l.f., just like the one she's using, so
Mine is Maybelline Baby Skin.
What do you do?
Instant Pore Eraser.
I don't even know what you do with it. Can't even tell me. Why is yours clear?
It's just different primers are different. You just put it all over your face. Just watch the video, you can hit play. If you don't know what you're doing that much. I really don't.
Today I'm gonna make a mixture.
Me too.
I don't know.
Oh.
The L'Oreal Infallible
Easy.
and the L'Oreal
it's just solid.
cover. I want the glitter.
Her foundation's like she's using the same foundation I'm using and it looks so full coverage on her, and then I'm like, wait,
maybe it's her beauty blender.
No, it's the amount she puts on.
But it still has a nice luminosity to it, which
Foundation's my favorite part about living life. It's so much fun.
I'm so far hating it. First of all, this foundation is stupid. And
I hate that foundation, so I don't use, like, I do not like the Maybelline Fit Me. It just turns orange.
Yeah, it really does. Like, maybe if you're like pale, it won't.
Yeah.
But if you're
people like
tan,
love this foundation. Everyone else is like, it's orange.
Like what about this is fun?
I love how like
your
your face just like changes completely.
No.
Like, it just
the only thing that changed was that now I look like an Oompa Loompa. Yeah, I look like.
It doesn't look. Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, let's go to the next step. We should have switched foundations.
Yeah, I don't.
Like I
This
never
is
had more
really like full coverage mountain concealer.
You don't regret it.
I still would never spend $30 on concealer.
I didn't spend the money on it, so I wouldn't do it either. That's why.
I feel like actually it's not really doing much.
It's doing.
But it probably is. I'm
It's
just
doing
not noticing.
It's doing everything for you. But she's baking now. Stop it.
Wait, what?
She didn't say it, but
She just started doing it. Didn't even tell us. Okay, I don't know anything about baking. I don't know what it means when people say that. It confuses me. Like, what do you mean you're baking?
I honestly don't even know where she's putting it.
now one of the most
She just put it under her eyes.
when wearing this.
I feel like putting makeup on gave me really bad under eye like wrinkles and bags all of a sudden.
Even that, like right now.
Yeah, don't you feel like all of a sudden?
No.
I feel like they're more prominent now. I don't know.
It's just to do the opposite.
That's what I'm saying. So
right.
at this point I'm confused.
So we're priming our eyelids. She already did her eyebrows with me, but I don't do eyebrows. Yeah. Okay, let's hit play so we can see what eyeshadow to choose.
Go into this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette.
She's an e.l.f.
Back for matte 2, and taking this color right here.
Here's me like getting nervous because I don't think I have a color similar to that. I think I'm just gonna use Hot Cider from the Kylie Jenner Nice palette because it's like
That's brown.
This
That's
is
not even
purple.
related at all the same color.
Yes, it is.
Okay, well
actually,
I'm gonna use Enfuego as the Naked
what's
Heat
in
palette.
Fuego? That's not close at all.
Yeah, it is. It's
That's
way closer.
red.
No, that's like a darker
Hers is like
version.
a purple.
Okay, well that's the
No,
closest I have.
This is, well, that's what I have as well, but this is not even eyeshadow. But you know what? I'm just using what I'm doing. Kylie's using what she's doing. We'll see who comes out closer.
Perfect blend to keep using picking up a little bit more and placing it on this outer corner here, and this
Color shows up a lot redder than I wanted it to, so.
Yes, you said that it's me. I chose the better color.
This eyeshadow primer is no joke.
I know! You
come
cannot get anything off of it. And it's like literally $5. Like, I cannot say enough about this eyeshadow primer.
It's intense. Like, if you want your eyeshadow to I think me and Kai have mentioned both of us.
I think we both have, because it's like literally insane.
Yeah, it really is. Also, I freaking hate when beauty gurus are like do their eyeshadow and then it just like swoops out perfectly.
I know, like I'm thinking here, like, how did she do that?
Like, here's me cutting it with concealer because I cannot do that. Let me pause it.
Wait, which color did she use? I didn't even know. Let's see.
My crease is way too dark. Even though I like 70 times try to fix that.
up on a pencil brush and
This one I'm actually going to use the right color. I never do a full like matte eyeshadow look.
Mine's not even matte.
Well, it's supposed to be.
I don't have enough matte eyeshadows.
It's literally called classic matte.
I don't have enough matte
Yeah, you
eyeshadows. No, I don't.
Mascara makes me so happy.
Okay. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express.
You still using it?
I literally just bought it.
Yeah, like that's like so. I'm using the Maybelline Last Sensational, which I've just been using recently because.
Well, that's one I was using, but then I like just recently ran out of it, so I bought this one. It's making me so uncomfortable that I'm not wearing eyeliner right now. Like, I've never just
I rarely
worn eyeshadow without eyeliner.
Do it all the time.
Today I'll be using this blush right here by
She can like contour with the lightest thing ever.
But she's so pale.
and
I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Like, where do you
Me
put
neither.
it?
Like, what the heck? And she just like does this and like what the heck? Like I've never really seen someone use like a fan brush to contour like this.
I thought that's what they were for. No, fan brushes are for highlighting, right?
Like this is really thin ones.
Ew, what the heck?
I was pretty.
No, you just yelled eyelash.
No. God damn it.
Is this like a blush brush?
And for highlighter today, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Moonlight Curl.
She's
Pen.
really
If she's sponsored by e.l.f. in this video, like, why is she using so much
She's
e.l.f.?
I think I'm gonna go with that one because I think that one's the closest. This color doesn't look good on my face, but it's really similar to what she used, but I should have used a lighter, darker one that looks better on my skin tone, you know?
Alright, I think we're gonna give this skin a little spritz of setting spray to melt everything together.
Melt
Make it
everything
seamless and
together.
flawless. And today I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Last spray.
I'm going with the NYX Matte Finish. Spinny matte. What?
Finny matte?
What it says.
Smells so good. For lips, I want to go for a classic. When you think of Valentine's Day, you think of red, classic, powerful lips. Now, of course, this is going to make kissing.
I'm gonna use this one because I think this is the same.
The color is
Are they-
perfect. Like a statement,
just-
beautiful red.
We literally, I feel like neither of us really look like her
Yeah.
look or each other's.
Yeah, I don't know what we did. Like, it's as if we were watching two completely
But
different
it's also
videos.
like we use different colors and stuff. We don't have.
Yeah.
Well, this is our final looks.
I think that I actually didn't do that bad considering the fact
Let's look
that...
at each other. See what.
Yeah.
My eyeshadow looks completely different than both of theirs. I feel like
Yeah.
yours is a little more red than hers, but I feel like mine's a little darker than hers.
Yeah, for sure.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Comment down below or vote up in the poll who you thought did better recreating this makeup look, and yeah,
We will see you on Sunday.
on Sunday.
Peace, love, and ladybugs. Bye.